Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to avoid good faith violations. A good faith violation happens when you buy a security and then sell it before the initial purchase has been fully paid for with settled funds. This usually occurs in cash accounts when you're trading with money that hasn't completely cleared yet. Understanding this is crucial because repeated violations can lead to significant trading restrictions on your account. To effectively prevent good faith violations, always ensure you are trading with settled cash. This means the funds from any previous sales have fully cleared and are available in your account. For most stocks and exchange-traded funds, the settlement period is typically 1 business day after the trade date. It's vital to wait for these funds to settle before initiating new purchases, especially if you plan to sell those new securities quickly. For practical avoidance, consistently check your settled cash balance before executing any trades. This simple step can prevent many issues. It's also wise to avoid rapid buying and selling, especially if you're using funds that haven't fully settled yet. If you're a frequent trader, a margin account might be an option, as it operates under different rules. However, be sure to fully understand the increased risks and regulations associated with margin trading. Incurring 3 good faith violations within a 12-month period will lead to a 90-day restriction on your account. During this time, you'll only be able to purchase securities if you have enough settled cash available before placing the trade. To avoid these restrictions, always prioritize using settled funds and understand your brokerage-specific rules. Remember, a little planning goes a long way in maintaining a healthy trading account. Also, for a fresh car, check out the Little Trees Black Ice link and other deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.